So hey guys, it's Vijay from HP Games. This video is a little bit off the topic of our niche, but since few of our friends are facing this problem since long and asked for help, so I decided to make a video on it. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process to repair your Windows Store problems. Make sure to comment below if any step resolves your problem. And before we begin, consider subscribing and hit that bell notification so you won't miss any further updates. Now the first and foremost step what you have to do is go to run by pressing Windows key plus R, and on run type wareset.exe and hit enter. It will reset your Windows Store cache. Wait for it. Once it is done, go and open your Windows Store. Sometimes a solution for various Windows Store problem is just resetting the cache. It may resolve your problem. If it doesn't work, then go to Windows Powershell by typing Powershell on Cortana. Once it appears, right click on it and select Run as Administrator and paste the below given command. Copy the command from description section. For pasting it, right click on PowerShell Windows and go to Edit and select Paste and hit enter. This may take some time to execute, but I hope this will resolve the problem. Windows may ask for a user access control prompt. Click on Yes. If still you are not able to launch the store, then try all the commands given in the description section one by one and check if it's working or not. For method 3, what you can try is change your region and language settings in your system. Search region in Cortana and click on region and language settings. Click on additional settings and go to region, change location. Now on location tab, choose your home location, country, and on next formats tab, choose your preferred language and country. Make sure both the language must be same. Windows 10 chooses this automatically while setup, but if it is not changed due to some reason, then change it accordingly. Method 4 would be type troubleshoot on Cortana and click on it. This will open a settings window. Scroll down all the way to the end. Look for Windows Store. Select and click on Run the troubleshooter. Now what this will do is it will try to run some basic troubleshooting steps for your problem. Like if your registry keys related to Windows Store is corrupted, then it will try to repair it. My Windows Store is working fine, so I am not going to do it completely. I am going to cancel it, but you wait till end. It will suggest you the next step for the solution. So I hope one of the provided solution will definitely work for you. If you are still facing issue, then do comment us below. We'll try our best to bring the solution for you. That's it for now guys. Hope you learned something new today. Do subscribe and hit that bell notification for more updates. Thanks for watching.